Okay, so we're talking 3.2 engage here. Raul values 3 times as much as chocolate, 3 times as much as strawberry. Carly values strawberry twice as much as chocolate. A circular half of chocolate and half strawberry cake has 2 options to cut the cake into 2 pieces. Option 1 has one piece that's 60 degrees of chocolate and 72 degrees of strawberry, and the other piece remaining for the proportions of C and H. So if it's half and half, that's 120 here. And then 120 minus 72 is what, 108 degrees of the strawberry there. Option 2, these are the 2 pieces. These are 2 ways of cutting it. 96 degrees and then 72 degrees and then the other piece remaining. So calculate the value of each piece from both options to Raul and which piece is fair to Raul. Now Raul values this as, let's see, 3 times as much as, so chocolate is 3, strawberry is 1 in his opinion. So dividing our value for these are going to be 3/4 and then 1/4. And then that's out of 180 for both of those. So if we're going to calculate the value of the first one, let me come down here and do a reply. So for the first one, for Raul, he's going to say, all right, chocolate is 3/4. I know that I've got 60% chocolate out of 180. And then I'm going to add that to the other piece that was cut. I value that at 1/4. And then that's going to be, oh, let me put option 1 here for Raul. What did he get? 72 out of 180 for that one. For Raul's option 2, again, 3/4 times, what was that one? 96 out of 180 plus the 1/4 times, what do we get there? 72 out of 180. And then we're going to get our equals, and we're going to find out what those are equal to, right? And so let me run over here to Desmos to find that out very quickly. What did I say? 3/4. And then 60 out of 180. Actually, I can just copy this and paste it. Desmos is a beautiful thing. All right. So that's going to give him a value of that first piece at 0.35. That's his percentage, or 35%. So he really doesn't like that one. That's not necessarily fair in his eyes. So let's take the second one, plug that one in. Ooh, and that one is a cool 50%, or 0.5. So option 2 is better for Raul. It's fair, right? Fair share. So let's calculate the 2 fair shares for Carly. So Carly said from the back, let's see, values twice as much as strawberry. So that's going to be 2/3 and 1/3, chocolate being 1/3. So it's the same setup, but her fractions change. So if I was to copy Raul's and paste it here, I would just have to change her fractions. 1/3, 2/3. And that would be Carly's option 1. Carly's option 2 would be the same setup, but her fractions would be different. Remember, her chocolate is 1/3 and her strawberry is 2/3. So then I'm going to copy what I've already typed out into Desmos and find my 2 answers. Was it still 72 on the other one? Ooh, nice. So 0.38 for the first one. So 0.38, it's 37 repeating. And then this one, surprisingly, is 0.4 repeating. So 0.44 or 44%, right? And this is or 38%. So the question is, which piece would be fair to Carly? It looks like neither is going to be fair to Carly because neither one meets 50%. So we'll say neither is fair to Carly. There you go. There's your answer.